In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save RAM with Zen Browser. If your browser feels heavy or slows down your system, the biggest wins come from how you handle tabs, extensions, and background activity. Let's walk through a clean setup that keeps Zen fast without breaking your workflow. Start by opening Settings and heading to the Performance or System section. Enable Memory Saver and the option for tab sleeping or discarding. With these on, Zen will pause inactive tabs automatically, freeing up RAM while keeping your session intact. When you click a sleeping tab, it wakes right back up where you left off, so you get the benefits without the hassle. Next, take control of tabs that you don't need active right now. Right-click any tab and choose Suspend or Unload to release its memory on the spot. If you often work with dozens of tabs, consider adding an automation tool like Auto Tab Discard to suspend idle tabs after a set time. That single change can make one of the biggest differences in day-to-day memory usage. Extensions deserve a close look because they run all the time, even when you're not interacting with them. Open your extensions page and remove or disable anything non-essential. Heavy ad blockers with huge filter lists, flashy theme or UI tweakers, and multiple overlapping productivity tools can quietly consume a lot of memory. Keep only what you truly use and prefer lighter alternatives when possible. Streaming media is another hidden drain. Pause or close tabs playing music or video when you're done, and turn off Zen's media sidebar if you don't rely on it. Background players keep caches and decoders in memory, so shutting them down immediately reduces your footprint. In the same system area of settings, test hardware acceleration. Turn it off, use the browser for a bit, then try it back on. Some systems use less RAM with it disabled, while others are more efficient with it enabled. Go with whichever feels smoother and lighter on your machine. Be intentional with pinned tabs. Keep only your true essentials pinned and avoid overpinning. Pinned tabs still load at startup and continue to use memory, so a small focused set is best. Finally, give Zen a fresh start periodically. Long sessions can lead to memory buildup, especially with many tabs open. A quick restart every so often clears things out, and your session will come back ready to go. Follow these tweaks, and Zen Browser will stay lean, responsive, and easier on your system's RAM.